Experiencing a frozen screen or no sound in your Peugeot 2008's infotainment system models 2013-2023. You're not alone. These are common issues, but often fixable. First, try a soft reset by cycling the ignition. Turn the key or push the start button to off. Wait 10 seconds, then turn back on. If that doesn't work, perform a hard reset by holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to clear the RAM. For persistent frozen screens, try a full factory reset via the system's settings menu. This restores defaults, but will wipe your data. For no sound issues, check your audio settings, volume levels, and Bluetooth connections. Make sure the volume isn't muted. For more advanced troubleshooting on sound issues, use Peugeot's diagnostic tools to check for error codes like U010, which indicates a communication fault. Remember to perform resets safely while parked and the vehicle is off to avoid distractions. Peugeot has been actively addressing infotainment issues with over-the-air software updates. Ensure you have the latest version, 2.4.1, as of June 2025, downloadable via the My Peugeot app or at a dealership. This fixes many bugs like freezes and connectivity problems. However, older models from before 2020 may suffer from hardware degradation, such as faulty capacitors. In these cases, module replacement is needed, typically costing between $500 and $1,200 at a dealership. Some owners use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay emulators via aftermarket apps as workarounds. Peugeot, through Stellantis, is investing in next-generation infotainment with cloud-based systems and modular designs for easier hardware swaps, expected by 2028. Always keep your system updated to minimize vulnerabilities and consider these future trends if problems persist. This timeline shows the evolution of vehicle infotainment, highlighting the progress toward more reliable systems.